Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to Awaken Pathways. Want to grow your YouTube channel in 2024? It's not just about posting videos, it's about getting your videos seen. In this video, I'll reveal 5 YouTube SEO hacks to help you boost your views and rank higher in search results. First up, keywords. Just like with Google, YouTube is a search engine. You need to optimize your titles, descriptions, and tags with the right keywords to get discovered. Next, make sure your titles are clickable and your thumbnails are eye-catching. Titles should contain keywords and invoke curiosity, while thumbnails should be clear, bold, and relevant. Hack number 3 is to optimize your descriptions and tags. Use your description to not only describe your video but also to incorporate keywords and links to relevant content. YouTube rewards videos that keep viewers engaged. Focus on improving your watch time by making content that holds attention. Use engaging intros, cuts, and calls to action to keep people watching. Finally, use playlists and end screens to keep viewers on your channel. Create binge-worthy playlists and add end screens to guide viewers to more of your content. That's it. These 5 hacks will help you maximize your reach and get more views in 2024. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite YouTube SEO strategy.